Welcome to the October meal. So I'm so sorry that this is delayed. I completely forgot that I hadn't put it up yet. So cleaning up my phone, I found all this footage. I've put it together for you. We are in the midst of trying to do a bit of a use it up and clean out the freezer, and also making meals around things that we find at the shops that are marked down to finish stuff off. So luckily I found the burger buns that were marked down. So of course we've had burgers for dinner, and I did homemade chips. The next night we have had some chicken. So hubby's had this peri peri chicken because I got some peri peri crumbs from Woolworths on clearance. My daughter's had her plant-based chicken fillet things. My son's had chicken nuggets, and I just had the plain panko chicken. The next night I cooked these chicken satay sticks because I was going past this Chinese store that was doing their end of night clean out, and I thought, oh, I know what could go with those. So I cooked some chicken satay sticks. I actually had bought them not long before because they were on clearance from Aldi, because I have to do a TikTok, which you'll see coming up later. So I had to go back and re-buy. This is just some plant-based meat that my daughter had cooked up. She often has that with some macaroni on the nights that we are having something that she doesn't want. We also made a quiche. I've made this all the time on the channel. 6 eggs, a zucchini, a thing of lactose-free creams. My daughter can't really eat a lot of lactose, and frozen corn, and about half a cup of self-raising. Well, you can do plain flour or self-raising flour, it depends how high you want it. I cook it for 40 minutes and it comes to 4 serves. I just added some garlic bread today. Had some chicken in the freezer that we want to use up, so we cooked it, and we've added in a jar of the honey mustard, and I've put in there the corn as well to mix it all around. I don't know whether I was trying to do a price comparison video or something, because it's a bit weird that I would be pointing to corn. I just film a whole lot of stuff and then tell myself I'll remember it later. Here's the video for the setup of the Aldi challenge. I'm glad that I did get some footage sideways, and then here's my plate that I put together. My daughter's had another piece of the quiche, and we've just cooked some veggies on the side. The next night we've done tacos. I bought a bag of corn chips from Aldi, but we had the mincemeat there already, and I put some cheese on top and zapped it in the microwave just to melt it a little bit. Other people like their cheese cold. My daughter's had her triangles that she likes. When I was in Aldi, I picked up these things that were all marked down, and I will definitely be on the lookout, especially for those little ball Kievs in the future. My son absolutely loved them, so I'm excited to be able to add another thing in that hopefully he'll be able to eat. He doesn't like these bigger ones because there's too much filling inside, but the little ones were really small. It's clearly the next night. My daughter's had a quiche again with veggies, and my son's had a pizza with chips. I don't know what hubby and I had because there's no footage. But then the next night, because we'd done another Aldi TikToks, we'd got some pies from Aldi. I did some homemade chips, and we've got veggies on the side. So my son's got some more of the alphabet chicken nuggets because I was cleaning out the freezer. So we've got some more triangles for my daughter. My son likes triangles as well, as long as the middle hasn't exploded. And hubby and I have this chicken, I think it was from the meat tray that I won from Bingo, actually, from memory, because I think it was a thigh meat. My son's obviously had a pizza, probably a lunch thing, by the looks that it's all by itself. Obviously, this was the last of the alphabet chicken nuggets because there's some regular nuggets on there, some triangles, and some more panko chicken for hubby and I. I think this was not the night before we went to Aldi, Audi, Melbourne. I think this was the night before we left to go to Melbourne, because I remember just grabbing so many things out of the freezer so we could start using it up, because I was just trying to get some easy meals because I was still cleaning and decluttering and packing and editing, and I just needed some dinner that I didn't have to literally stand over the top and look at. I don't know why there's a plate of chicken nuggets and chips. Oh, yes, I do. So that's what my son would have had for dinner, because he doesn't like this stew that I made. And for some reason, I'm showing you everything that I've used. Again, I probably was going to do how much it cost us to eat this meal. and I don't think I ever got around to a conclusion. So I'll recheck the footage and see if there's something else coming up, but this is what it looked like. And then this is, I'm pretty sure, the night that we did leave for Melbourne. Yes, we had panko chicken there. My daughter's got her mincemeat thing left over and she's put some pasta through that. So the last couple of meals are literally just the clean out of the freezer, and I don't have all of the footage to show you, but again, we've got the panko chicken here. This is the spicy crumb that I got from Woolworths, so I've got that on the list to get again because hubby really liked it. There's the Kiev balls back for my son, and I've just got the regular panko chicken. We bought 2 kilos of chicken from Coles because they were then worked out $9 a kilo, and as fast as they came into the house, they pretty much got eaten because 2 weeks before we left for Melbourne, I was busy decluttering and editing and packing and trying to get things clean and organised. So anything that I could pull out of the freezer was a lifesaver for us. So you see a lot of meals repeat. We had fish that you would have just seen because again I found that in the freezer. So it has been a lifesaver trying to use it up. Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining with me for the meals for October. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.